Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of mSpy software. Whether you're a concerned parent, a business owner, or just curious about what mSpy can do, this video will cover everything you need to know. But before we start, if you want to try mSpy, click the link on the description below so you can follow along. First off, what exactly is mSpy? mSpy is a monitoring software designed to track and monitor activity of what someone is doing on their smartphones and computers. Here you can see things like the messages someone sends or receives, the website they visit, and many more. It's widely used by parents to keep tabs on their children's online behavior and by employers to monitor employee activity. But how does it work, and is it worth your time and money? One of the key features of mSpy that I find really useful if you're worried that your significant other might be cheating or lying to you is the call and SMS monitoring. Here you can monitor incoming and outgoing calls and read text messages, even those that have been deleted. It works on iPhone too. You can see messages on iMessage and apps like WhatsApp and Facebook. mSpy also can record calls. They can't show you details about calls made and received on the phone, like who they talk to and when. Other key feature is the GPS location tracking. Here you can track the real-time location of the device, and you can set geofencing alerts and view location history. So you can see whether or where the person's phone is at all times. You can also set up virtual boundaries, so if the phone goes out of the certain places, you can get a message. Another key feature is the keylogger. Here you can record keystrokes made on the device you're monitoring to see what the user is typing in various apps on their phone or computer. mSpy also has a cool feature called discrete screen recording. This means you can see exactly what's happening on the target device in real time, and it's really useful because you can catch any inappropriate or harmful activity as it's happening. Even if the user tries to delete something later, you still have a record of it. The best part of it is the mSpy has a feature called stealth mode, meaning it can operate in the background and it doesn't leave any traces on the target device. So it's undetectable to the user. Now let's see how you can install and use mSpy to your Android and iOS device. First up, open your browser and go to mSpy website. Then here on the website, tap on the Try Now button. Then you'll need to create an account and you can enter your Google account or your email. And then once done, here you'll then need to select the device you're monitoring and select the subscription plan that fits your need. Now once done, you will receive a link to your email, and then you can now download and install the mSpy app. Now you just need to follow all the instructions carefully, and once installed, you can access all the data from your mSpy dashboard on your computer or phone and start monitoring. So remember, you will need physical access to the device for a few minutes during installation. And of course, make sure you're following all local laws regarding privacy and monitoring. The dashboard here, as you can see, is super user-friendly and easy to navigate. Even you're not really good with the modern technology, you'll have no trouble figuring it out. The mSpy dashboard is like your command center for monitoring the target device. It neatly organizes all the device's activities into different sections, making it super easy to keep track of everything. You've got sections here, for example, the screenshots, visited websites, and even reports from the keylogger. So it's easy to understand and you can quickly see what's been going on with the device. So mSpy offers free demo version, so you can take a look at the dashboard and you can try using this software. Now let's talk about the pricing. mSpy offers several subscription plans. You have three choices. The first one is a 1-month plan, which is best if you need short-term monitoring. The second is 3-month plan, a good balance between cost and coverage. And then we have the 12-month plan, the most cost-effective if you need long-term monitoring. So each plan gives you access to the same features, but the longer the subscription, the better the value. Now here's a quick summary of the app. mSpy has a comprehensive monitoring features. We have the easy-to-use interface, a reliable customer support, and it works on both Android and iOS. But in my opinion, the negative side of this app is first, it requires physical access to the device for installation. And then some features require the device to be rooted or jailbroken. And also, it can be expensive for long-term use. But overall, mSpy offers a robust set of features, but is not without its drawbacks. So, is mSpy worth it? If you're looking for a reliable way to monitor a device and ensure safety or productivity, mSpy app is definitely one of the top contenders. It's crucial to weigh the cost against the features you need and to consider ethical implications before using any monitoring software. And that's it. If you want to try mSpy, click the link on the description below so you can follow along. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and then see you on the next video.